Jennifer, this is something we hear a lot about from our customers. They want to know which part goes inside me.
Oh God. Okay. I mean, that's a valid question.
We have a device right here.
Device.
We can
All right.
explain.
There's a couple ways of describing this. The first is the piece that looks like a little sperm goes inside you. The other piece, I mean, you should never put metal in your vagina. just don't do that.
Yeah.
Unless you're into that, it's totally fine. But for the most people, you shouldn't put metal inside your vagina. Put the silicone piece inside as well.
This is nice and soft and smooth.
Nice and soft. People have asked me personally, like, how big it is.
Yeah.
It's similar size to maybe, especially this one. This is about size to...
We got two sizes.
Two sizes. This is, close to the size of a small tampon. This is a little bit bigger, but, probably smaller than other things you put inside your vagina.
Yeah.
And then
Safe to say.
Safe to say, and then you can just hang the metal on, and then again, like, don't put giant pieces of metal.
Don't put that in your vagina.
Unless you're into it, that's totally fine too.
Then it's safe to do that, but don't do it. And I would say that I understand the question. It is the only one with the weights outside the body. So it makes sense that they would ask.
Yes.
Because everything they're familiar with, it all goes inside, right? Not here. It goes outside the body, which is great because look what you get. You get this little dynamic like forces. It's like a little Bosu ball. Mm-hmm. Have you ever worked out on a Bosu ball before?
I have.
And why is that so interesting? Because
the variations will cause you to have different muscles contractions to keep the weight inside of you.
So you got some forces, some interesting dynamic forces working there. So the weight is outside the body, ladies, and this is the part that goes inside you. And we give you some options. We give you a slightly larger size that you may start out with, and then maybe you can graduate, put the tassel to the other side when you graduate, and you can use a smaller size, which is more challenging.
Well, and the great thing too is that if it's ever too much weight for you, your body will just release it and it falls right out. If you had this big weight inside of you, your body can't release it, right?
That's right.
That's the great part of it is that you can never overexert yourself using Kegelbell.
Totally safe.
It'll fall out, your body will let you know when it's done, and then you're finished.
Et voila. Inside, outside, it's unique. We understand the question. Now you know this is the special way that we use Kegelbell. Doo, doo, doo.